Welcome to the chapter Gems of Clay. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to explain what is clay, describe about the various things that are made of clay, explain the process of making pots, understand the importance of clay utensils. Let us first start with the introduction. Hello children, you all might have seen various things like flower pots, wooden dolls, plastic toys, clay utensils, etc. at your home and outside. Do you know with what materials that are made of? Have you ever heard the word clay? Let us know. In this chapter, let us learn about the importance of clay and the things that are made of clay in detail. Let us first know what is meant by clay. Clay is a natural material made up of tiny particles of rock. When clay is mixed with enough water, it feels like soft, gluey mud. We will now learn about few things that are made of clay. In our house, we find various things like pots, flower vases, dolls, toys, idols, utensils, etc. They all are made up of various materials like clay, plastic, steel, wood, iron, aluminium, etc. Some toys are made of clay, whereas some are made of wood, plastic, etc. Do you know, in Telugu states, Nirmal, Adilabad, Kondapalli, Krishna and Etikopakka, Visakhapatnam are the places that are famous for wooden dolls. Different utensils are made of different materials like clay, steel, plastic, etc. The things that are made with clay include clay pots, ranjans, clay water pots, clay drums, clay lamps, etc. Flower pots made of clay are used to grow small plants. Ranjans keep water cool in summer. The clay utensils are even used to store grains like jawar, paddy, etc. Clay drums of very big sizes are generally used to store water for cattle to drink. The clay lamps, which are called Pramidallu in Telugu, will be available in various colors. These are used for lighting. Do you know, during the festival of Vinayak Chavati, we find many idols of Lord Ganpati. They are made of either clay or plaster of Paris. However, it is always recommended to buy the idols made up of only clay because the clay is eco-friendly. It easily dissolves in water and does not pollute the water and the environment. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. So now, let us go through the process of how a potter makes pots with clay. Step 1. The potter brings the clay to make the pots. Step 2. To soften clay, the potter soaks it in water and kneads it with his legs. Step 3. He then takes the soft clay and rolls it on the potter's wheel with his hands and shapes the clay into pot. Step 4. The next step is he taps the pot with a wooden plate to get the correct shape. Step 5. Next, he dries the pot in the shade first and then under the sun. Step 6. Finally, he bakes the dried pots in a kiln. Knowledge check. Attempt the following questions to check your understanding. Here we will look at the importance of clay utensils. Just like how clay pots are made, the other clay utensils like flower pots, ranjans, etc. are also made in the same process. When compared to the present generation, our ancestors used more clay utensils. Clay utensils are very much good to use. They are less in cost, save energy and are eco-friendly. Nowadays, the usage of clay utensils is decreasing because of the use of man-made substances like plastic. Now, let us perform an activity. The following images represent the steps of pot making. Drag and drop the respective step number under the respective image. Click on Submit button to view the answers. Keywords. List of keywords are shown on the screen. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. Clay is a natural material made up of tiny particles of rock. When clay is mixed with enough water, it feels like soft gluey mud. The things that are made with clay include clay pots, ranjans, clay drums, clay lamps, etc. The clay pots are even used to store grains like jawar, paddy, etc. Flower pots made of clay are used to grow small plants. Ranjans keep water cool in summer. Clay drums of very big sizes are generally used to store water for cattle to drink. The clay lamps, which are called Pramidallu in Telugu, will be available in various colors. These are used for lighting. The potter uses the potter's wheel to make the pots with clay. Improve your learning. Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click Answer for your reference. Follow-up work. Take up the following activities. Visit the market and collect the particulars of different clay utensils sold. Find out and write their cost. Take clay and mix with a little water. Make it into soft dough. Make shapes of different vegetables and fruits and paint them with colors. Different articles are made with different materials. We use them for various purposes. Observe your house and fill in the table with the particulars. Why is the use of utensils made up of clay decreasing day by day? Find out and write down in your notes. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Gems of Clay.